Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So we're back today with another video, and in today's video we're going to get into this hair that I'm currently rocking. So today we are featuring Geeta Hair. Big shout out to Geeta Hair for sponsoring today's video. So the look that I have today, this is a straight texture 26-inch frontal wig. This is 250 density, so it is very long, full, silky straight. You have a few different options for this unit on the website. You can purchase this from 10 inches all the way up to 36. You have the option of densities 150, 180, as well as 250. And you can also get this in a 13x4 lace frontal or a 4x4 lace closure. This hairline is pre-plucked and this is HD lace. So for this wig, I decided to use my wig dealer spray, which I will link down in the description box. And I did no baby hairs on this. I just wanted to show you how you can get a super clean install. I also incorporated like new products that helps me with my clean installs. So I have no baby hairs at all. Prior to this video, I did bleach the knots and I tweezed this. Although this is pre-plucked, I do suggest going in with some tweezers because this is 250 density, so it is a lot of hair. It's very full, which is beautiful, but you do want to thin out that hairline so that it is as natural as possible. So this wig also fit really well. There's an additional elastic band inside with adjustable straps on there, so you can definitely use that. I did use some lace tint for this. I know this is an HD lace, but once you get familiar with wigs, you know prior to the install whether the lace is going to be a good match for you. So looking at the lace, although it was HD, I had to tint it, but as you can see, it was perfect. So all the links and details will be down in the description box. They are currently running a Halloween sale where you can save up to 53% off. So any discount code that I have will be in the comment section as well as the description box. And yeah, check them out. There are quite a few reviews. I've been seeing this company pop up a lot, more so on TikTok than YouTube. So there are a lot of other reviews out there, although this is my first time. Once again, big shout out to Geeta Hair for sponsoring today's video. Thank you beauties for watching, and I'll see you in the next. Bye.